Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out GALA's price chart. And if you remember the last time that we were here, I think we were exactly right around this area. And the idea was that let's wait just a bit more and see a move up in order to take this important high. And at that point, our bullish scenario, at least in the short term, is going to get confirmed. And at the same time, we are going to confirm most likely and hopefully this beautiful head and shoulder structure, suggesting we are probably going to be headed higher. So what happened? As you can see, we did absolutely get a move up, and I would actually highly suggest to watch the previous video, because in there you are having some very detailed analysis about why, in case that we go up in GALA and take this high, our move up is going to continue for quite a bit. So I'm really hoping that you're gonna learn something. Now, what about the current price action? Well, in today's update, I am also going to do a detailed analysis, and I'm going to tell you why I kind of have a hard time believing that our move up right at this point is over. I think most likely we are having just a temporary setback, and in the next phase you are going to see most likely another move up in GALA in order to take the highs for the first target about 1.7.5 cents, but I think we can go quite a bit higher than that. And for example, we are very much allowed to reach to about the lower band of this region, which is around the 1.8 $1.9 area. So are you ready? Let's dive in and see what is going on. And you need to count some waves in here, and in order to do that, let's go on 15-minute time frame. So what's happening? In my view, there's like a very high chance this is going to be to about this point, wave 1, correction for 2, good move up into wave 3 to about this point, correction for 4, another move up into wave 5, and on a higher degree, maybe this is going to be into a wave 3, correction for 4, another move into wave 5. Basically, in my view, there's a very high chance that in GALA in this phase, we are having one set of 5 wave on the upside. And why is that important? Because let's just measure this move up from here to about this point and compare it to the other waves. Is it smaller than this 5 wave? Yes. Is it also smaller than this one? Absolutely yes. So what is it that I'm trying to tell you? Look, in GALA, in my view, even if you want to be bearish, then okay, even at that point, you have to say that we are most likely having in here a 5 wave impulsive structure on the upside. And here is how I'm going to count the waves. This can be a wave 1, correction for 2, 5 up into wave 3, correction for 4, and we are probably going to see in the short term another move on the upside into wave 5. So this is one very important reason for why I believe odds are the current phase up is going to continue. And here's the key point. If you want to go according to this count, there's actually a decent chance that even this white 5 wave is going to be into a larger degree wave 3. And what's next? Again, correction for 4, and yet even another move up into wave 5. So in the short term, it seems like in GALA, our move up is going to continue. And here is my final point. Before we get a continuation of this phase, you should probably expect a move down. Why is that? Let's go on 5-minute time frame. And by the way, in my own time, I rarely go on such lower time frames, but you know, this is for the sake of educational purposes, so I'm thinking it's fine. Okay, I'm thinking probably this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, generally a rather strong move on the downside, and this is the key point. Pay attention. Followed by that, so far I am able to tell you that from here to about this high around 1.72 cents, we are having kind of a slow move up. And let's just measure it timing wise. As you can see on 5-minute charts, this move up took us about 180 candles. On the other hand, this phase down took us only 90 candlesticks. So it is, in my view, definitely fair to argue this is a slow move up, which is what one very important characteristic of a corrective movement, suggesting we are going to probably in GALA see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down in order to at least visit the lowest low in here once more, about 1.6.5 cents. And even if we go a bit lower, do not worry, odds are that's just going to be part of a correction structure, which at the moment I'm talking about having an ABC zigzag. And then I'm gonna say probably in the next 12 to 24 hours, you want to see a move up in order to at least take the height of your B leg. And at that point, this ABC is going to get confirmed and you are looking at a continuation of this phase on the upside. So I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in GALA's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.